Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen after this particular range has break, we have seen it made a low of around 18.078 and from there we have seen it went a sharp rise. Okay, and I'll show you, this is the sharp rise where we have seen, okay, from 18.327 to a level of 20.326. that means a $2 in a very sharp point. Okay, after that what we have seen, again it made a high of around 20.449 and from there it came down again to a level of 19.761. this is why I'm repeating you have to understand where all the market goes so you can analyze in the future also. Okay, so that you can check my monthly video also, where I will explain you how the weekly and monthly charts move. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver works, and a telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join that too. Now look at the chart. See, if we look at this particular swing, okay, there is a higher probability that it can move further higher. But if this particular level, that is around 18.078 or 18.100, if it breaks downside, our probability is very high, we can see it can move further down, because this is from August of 2020. We have seen that this range has not come. Okay, and I've already told you that there is a high probability that it can move further down, because there is a range breakout has happened for so long, after so long time. Okay, so there is a higher probability that if this particular level sustain, we can see it can move further high or if it can move further down. So looking at the chart, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $20.197. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $20.346. Okay, and suppose if the price goes up that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.545. and if that level sustain, a probability is very high, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $20.894. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $21.542, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $21.990. Okay, once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of above a level of $22.4, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Now, as I've already explained you that the market will not move in one direction like this, nor it will move in the other direction this way. Okay, it will hold for some time, then it will move upside. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it will move downside. Okay, and there is some of the possibility that if there is a war situation, there is pandemic type of situation, then only we can see a sharp rise and sharp fall in the price of any of the commodities or even stocks. Okay, now suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, a probability is high, we can see it can move to a level of $19.848. okay, and that level, if that level also goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $19.449. okay, suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $19.100. okay, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of $18.353. okay, suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.204, and from there we can see it can move further down. I have already explained that if the price fall below a level of 18.20, then there is a higher probability it can move further down and can touch a level of 17.706, and from there we can see it can move further down. If level, then I'll make another video explaining where it can move. Till then, if it goes below that level, you can check my monthly video where I'll explain all these possibility of moving further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.